Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting video. In this video, I will tell you about an application that it will convert your photo into as a cartoon, as an animated cartoon. As you can see there, the application name is Toonapp Cartoon Photo Editor. So, yes, you can also create an animation of your original photo. So, before we start the video, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So the rating of this application is 4.1 and it has 50 million plus download. Yes guys, it has 50 million plus downloads and its reviews are also good and they are also responding on their review. It's okay, happy if you did not mind minimal control over your photo editing. It left much to design for me. Okay, yes, these are also replying with uh, and the app team also replying you. So after this we just have to tap on install. As you can see there, the app is now installing. As you can see there, it is almost 50% downloaded. After this we will open it. So get ready to explore the app. So the installation is almost, I think, complete. So now we have to just tap on open. After opening this application, as you can see there, that type of surface will appear and it will ask you for a permission. As you can so there as you can seen there, allow Toonapp to send you notification. Allow, uh, control yourself with a single tap. Okay, what next? Continue, try an amazing cartoon style. Okay, I think it's good. Continue, share fun with your family and friends. Okay, continue, turn full body photo into cartoon. Okay, we will try this. Here is the option for try all features. Now I will enjoy lifetime. Continue, there is payment button, free trial. Okay, after this I don't think so. Here we go. You just have to cut this and we will not install 2D. There is also option Dream AI as a 2D cartoon, 3D cartoon, and full body cartoon, animal cartoon, as you can see there. So after this we will tap on setting and check out what is in this application. There is an option for share the app with friends. You can also share this application with your friends and rate now, privacy policy, terms of use, sports, feedback, suggestion, and restore subscription. After this just tap on 2D. As you can see there, I have tap on 2D cartoon. After this it will it will ask you for a permission to allow Town app to access photos, videos, music, and audio on this device. Okay, definitely you have to allow this. After this, let me just try. As you can see there, here is a photo and I will definitely try this photo. Create cartoon, and now let's check what happens. We are drawing your cartoon. As you can see there, they are drawing the cartoon. We will check this definitely, and most popular, we will just tap on back. After that an ad will appear and we will just back this ad. As you can see there, the cartoon is now ready. As you can see there, you can't believe this, it's really amazing. After this there is an also option for, okay, there is option for 50-50. You can also use like this 50% original and 50% like cartoon. As you can see there, I have now tap on this and after this just back and showing ad, just cross the ad. As you can see there, after this our application is ready and remove watermark, and we have got our picture saved to gallery. Then my picture is now saved in my gallery. So you can use this application. This is a very good application. So if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, if you are facing any problem or do you have any question, then you can let us know in the comment section. We will definitely reply you with the video or with some text. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video.